Hello friends, today we will do the question answers of the chapter Why do we need a parliament? Question number 1. Discuss the preceding situation of India in detail. Answer. A long and difficult struggle in which many sections of society participated. People from various backgrounds joined the struggle and they were impressed by the ideas of freedom, equality, and participation in decision making. The British government had created such a havoc that they never dared to criticize any of the decisions if they did not agree with them. Freedom movement changed the situation. The nationalists began to criticize the British government and make demands. Question number 2. How do the individuals give approval to the government? Answer. The individuals gave approval to the government through elections. People elect the representatives to the parliament. Parliament made all these representatives together control and guides the government. Question number 3. Which is the takeoff point for a democracy? Mention the 3 points. The takeoff point for a democracy is the idea of consent, the desire, approval, and participation of people. It is the decision of people that creates a democratic government and decides about its functioning. The basic idea in this kind of democracy is that the individual or the citizen is the most important person, and that in principle the government as well as other public institutions need to have the trust of these citizens. Question number 4. How is the national government formed? After the Lok Sabha elections, a list is prepared showing the MPs belonging to each political party. To form the government, a party should have more than half seats, that is 272 members or more. Total seats is equal to 543 plus 2. Important function of Lok Sabha is to select executive. Prime Minister is the leader of ruling party in Lok Sabha. Prime Minister selects other ministers to implement the decisions. Question number 5. What is the role of Prime Minister in India? Prime Minister is the leader of ruling party in Lok Sabha. Prime Minister selects other ministers to implement the decisions. Question number 6. Write a note on the coalition government. The alliance formed by the political parties after election when no party has been able to get adequate seats to form a clear majority. Question number 7. What role is meant by the opposition party? What do they do in the government? Answer. The opposition in the parliament is formed by all the political parties that oppose the majority party. Coalition formed. The largest amongst these parties is called the opposition party. Question number 8. Discuss the role and the functions of the Parliament. Parliament of India consists of the President, the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. One of the most important functions of the Lok Sabha is to select the executive. The Rajya Sabha functions primarily as the representative of the states of India in the Parliament. It has an important role of reviewing and altering the law initiated by the Lok Sabha. The opposition parties play a critical role in the healthy functioning of a democracy. They highlight drawbacks in various policies and programs of the government and mobilize popular support for their own policies. Lawmaking is a significant function of Parliament. Question number 9. Describe briefly about the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Answer. Lok Sabha represents the House of People and the lower house. The maximum number of people that can be elected in Lok Sabha is 552. Out of these 552 people, 530 are elected to be members of the states. There are 245 members of Rajya Sabha. 229 of them are the state representatives, while 12 are nominated by the President and 4 are elected from Union territories. Question number 10. Write a detailed note on people in Parliament. The Parliament consists of total of 543 representatives. They are called members of Parliament. Parliament has two houses, Lok Sabha, that is the lower house, and the Rajya Sabha, that is the upper house, headed by their presiding officers, that is Speaker and Chairman respectively. The important Vice President is the Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Thank you.